are you doing here? You gotta be freezing in there. Look, we got a very special Filipino recipe to make today. Alright, so stop fooling around in there. Game plan for today's episode. 1, we get pork blood. 2, we make Filipino blood stew, aka Dinuguan. 3, we taste the Filipino blood stew. And 4, we tribal dance around the Dinuguan. Let's do this thing. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. This recipe is gonna be freaking amazing. Why would I lie about that? Here's the thing. The main ingredient is blood. Pretty obvious, right? The non-obvious part is where to get it from. The Philippines, it might be pretty prevalent. Here, not so much. So this is what we're gonna do. And I don't like this idea. There happens to be a guy in the dungeons of this very building that sells blood. People have also been known to go down there and never return. All right, but I'm doing this for you guys, and I'm bringing you with me in case anything happens. Let's just go. I'm getting there. Oh God. Hello? I'm looking for blood. Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? Jeez, man, you scared the crap out of me. Wait, Cam J? Wait, J-Mac? What are you doing down here, man? What? Dude, I'm trying to get blood. Oh yeah, man, you can get blood from here. It's my new gig now. I'm down here selling blood. No way, you got pork blood? Yeah, man, I think I can hook you up with what you need. Alright, is that what you're looking for? That's exactly it, man. Perfect. Hey, listen, if you ever want to come down here, hang out, sell some blood, you're more than welcome. I'm good, man. Alright, man. Catch you later. Alright, let's make this blood stew. Come over to the stovetop, and we're gonna grab a large pan. On medium heat, let's get about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in there. Add in 6 cloves of minced garlic. Angelo, that's for you, buddy. Garlic first. And we're gonna add in a chopped up yellow onion. And we're gonna let that saute for 5 minutes. Next, we got 1.5 pounds of chopped up pork chop. We're gonna throw that in there with a tablespoon of grated ginger. To that, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Gonna mix this up quick, and we're gonna let the pork cook, about 10 minutes or so. And now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Now stop. Don't touch it. Your first instinct is to stir the vinegar in, and you don't want to do that. Let it boil off for at least 3 or 4 minutes before you stir it. Otherwise, you're gonna have this overwhelming vinegar taste. Alright, so we got a cup of pig's blood. Before we put this in, we're gonna dump in a tablespoon of white vinegar. Bloody. Now we're gonna dump that in our pan. Ooh. Along with a cup of water. We're gonna stir that up and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Alright, this is thickening up nicely. Now I'm just gonna add 1/2 cup of water, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 jalapeno peppers cut in half, and 2 bay leaves. Mix that up quick, and we're just gonna let that simmer for 10 more minutes. Alright, and oh my God, we're ready to taste. Bowl full of rice, and let's throw in some of our blood stew. I'm ready to try this. Check that out. Oh wow, wait a minute, this is good. I can get behind this. Flavors. I'm detecting blood, penny, copper. It doesn't taste like blood at all. The sauce has got like a velvety texture. The pork is tender and soft, it's very nice. Oh my God, this is actually really good. Once you get over the blood factor, But now it's time. Tribal dances around the Filipino blood stew. Let's do this. Filipino blood stew. Filipino blood stew. Filipino blood stew. I don't even know. But what I do know is, if you stayed through that and you're not subscribed, you've gotta subscribe. We're doing new videos every week. Filipino episode 6. Oh, and thank you for watching. Or for my Filipinos, salamat.